Blueberry More, Berry Spears, Avocado Di Carpio at Mona Pizza. Pangalan pa lang, masarap na. Paano pa kaya kung makita at matikman mo pa? Dahil nga pangalan pa lang artistay na, blockbuster din ang pila ng mga taong gustong-gusto itong tikman.
Yung flavors namin, sobrang siyang unique and new to the donut industry, even to the food and the beverage industry. We are using unique localized ingredients. Like, for example, if you heard, we have Avocado Di Carpio, which is our avocado donut. We also have our green tea donut. I think it hasn't been heard of that there are almonds on top of donuts. Yun yung pinakang unique points namin. We have a full range of flavors that are not commonly seen with other donuts.
Bukod sa kanilang mga artistahing donuts, narito pang ilan sa siguradong pipilahan nyo sa donut house na ito.
Marami kayong donuts na may enjoy because we're chiefly a donut place. For our bestseller, we have the Al Capone. It's this one. It's our soft bite donut na may white Belgian chocolate saka almond. But aside from that, we also have different donut flavors katulad ng Why Not na may peanut butter filling, yung Heaven Berry na may strawberry cream filling. Our Forest Glam is Black Forest inspired. And then we also have our unique Avocado Di Carpio na avocado cream filling with avocado chocolate sa taas. And then ito yung hinahanap din ng maraming tao, yung green peas namin. We also have our Coco Loco for those dark Belgian chocolate lovers. Saka yung Donna Italiana namin na may Italian chocolate. But aside from that, we also have our savory donuts. Yung Mona Pizza namin, it's a pizza flavored topping na may chicken sausages. So unique siya for some people. And at the same time, meron din kaming donut sandwiches. People say na mukha siyang ensaymada namin. It has 4 kinds of cheeses. Meron siyang cream cheese, parmesan cheese, sliced cheese, saka cheddar cheese. So ma-enjoy din yan ng lahat ng tao. Aside from that, meron din naman kaming drinks. Version namin siya ng cappuccino with a drip of milk, saka personalized latte art for everyone. It comes with a chocolate chip for that extra sweetener lang.
O, diba? Kung dati sa pasalubong lang kayo nakakatikim ng donuts, ngayon, pwedeng-pwede nyo nang ayain ang inyong girlfriends at mag-chit-chat over gourmet donuts. Para sa homepage, ako si Joanne Chavez.